Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a voice memo on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To create a voice memo in iOS, first we need to open the Voice Memo app. If you're not sure how to get to it, search for Voice Memos in the app library. Within the app, all you need to do to start recording is to tap on the red circle at the bottom. Once you've finished recording, tap on the same button to stop. You can now manage the recordings you've made. For example, you can tap on the name of it to change that, or you can adjust some of the settings with the bottom left icon. Tap on the three dots icon in the top right of a recording to customize more. Here you can save the recording to your files or even trim the recording with the edit recording option. You can delete a recording with the trash can icon. And so that is how to create a voice memo on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.